Welcome back. Hello, 7th graders. We are starting a new unit. Out with the old, in with the new. It's spring. Snow has melted. Global warming trots on. Speaking of global warming, we're going to start a book about how it is always winter and never Christmas. Maybe you've read it before. Maybe some of you have read it. The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. But we will start that a bit later. For today, I want to hear about your sports break. So, here's what you're doing. After you're done checking out this instruction video, the one you're watching now, you're going to check out this sensory details video. It's a couple minutes long. I've already talked to you about putting the 5 senses into your writing to make your writing more interesting. But this is just a reminder. After you've watched that little video, you're going to go to Google Classroom and click on My Sports Break. Here's what it looks like. Actually, it's not going to look like this because this is the teacher view. But anyway, it'll kind of sort of look something like this. Step 1, click on the doc I made for you called My Sports Break. That's here. For you, it'll probably be up in the right-hand corner. That looks like this. This is MLA format. So when you're telling me about your sports break, it'll be like a story form. So it's kind of some creative writing. It can be sort of like fiction or it can be nonfiction because you are telling me about your break. But if you're like, listen, Miss Carlson, my break was boring, it's going to be more fictional. You're going to lie to me. So anyway, first and last name up here, as per usual. Your teacher's name, just delete this part, and then you have Ms. Carlson. Put your class, put the date, 7B, you will have March 10th here. Don't forget a title with the first letter of each word capitalized, unless it's a tiny little word like in or a. Then remember, this is MLA format, not this, but this. Every time you have a new paragraph. When do you start a new paragraph? Well, when the subject kind of changes. Be sure and check this out. Here's how you do dialogue in MLA format. What else? Write at least a page before handing anything in. This is pretty much all you're doing this lesson. This is all you're doing this lesson. So just try to write the whole time. If you don't have very much by the end of the lesson, still at least turn in what you have so I don't mark you deviated from the lesson because it's attendance part 2 to click turn in on this. So anyway, step 2 was to delete my blah blah blahs and write your own stuff. What was step 3? Click turn in, not share. When you click share, I get a whole bunch of emails. When you click turn in, it's all nicely organized in Google Classroom. Anything else? I feel like I'm missing something. I'm probably missing something. I missed you guys. I hope you had a fantastic break. You don't have any homework unless you somehow missed attendance part 2 and you get an angry email from me saying, "Arg, I'm angry." Anyway, good luck. See you soon, hopefully.